Okay, so this is silage for my laying hens, part dos. I have Spanish-speaking friends at work that are going to be impressed with that. The corn stalks really clog up the Mary Mac. I thought that the sunflower stalks were bad, but the corn stalks are really bad. It shreds into these strings. This is from the ears, just the ears, not shucked. But so I'm not even running the stalks through. I'm just running the ears through, and then most of my sunflowers got taken by the birds. I was gone for 2 weekends. We were out of town for stuff, so I couldn't get in there. And the day we got back, I had an extra day for each weekend. It rained. And so I couldn't really do anything. So yeah, so now I'm just putting in like about half and half not soybeans, sweet corn ears, not shucked, that are past their prime, and sunflower heads. So I'm gonna see what happens with that. I got this one more barrel here I'm gonna try to fill. That'll be 2 55-gallon drums. So hopefully that'll give them some good feed in the winter when there's no walking around and, getting green stuff. And this is sunflower heads and sweet corn heads that are just past prime. So this is how full I got it. I still got to climb up and compact it. I think I'm going to put something inside there to keep the oxygen away. Making sauerkraut. The moisture really comes up around my feet. Not that I use my feet to make sauerkraut. Can you hear it squishing? Yeah, there's a lot of moisture. making sauerkraut. First I wouldn't be standing on it with my work shoes, but we'd be salting it, so I wonder if that's something that would help this out. Take an awful lot of salt though. It's pretty wet. So this is where I used a garbage bag full of water to create a barrier between the top of the silage and the oxygen, well, the atmosphere. It's just supposed to be an anaerobic fermentation, so it worked pretty well. I think something thicker, I think the bags, got holes in them and then leaked into the barrel, which didn't turn out too bad. But I think a thicker bag would have been better. Okay, where's the other two? Other three. Oh, there's one. Two. All right, we're gonna try this. See if the chickens like it. I haven't been in this in months. Doesn't smell as bad as I thought it would. Kind of a cross between manure and Worcestershire sauce. It's a little bit different color just underneath this top layer. This was the mostly the ears of corn and the sunflower seed, the sunflower heads. Yeah, it's a lot more tangy underneath that top layer. There's lots of kernels and seeds in there for them to peck through. This is what they were built for. I think they like it. What do you say, girls? It's good? It's good? It's good? What? What do you think? Not much? That's what I thought. Well, I don't know what the nutritional value is of it, but there's a lot of seeds and there's some kernels of corn in there, and they seem to really like it. So so far I would call this a success. Chopping it up and putting it in barrels, it's a pain in the ass when you're doing it right, when you're chopping it up. But as for storage and then going and retrieving the grain or the feed and giving it to them, it's pretty easy. And I don't have to worry about mice getting to it. Like, I've got corn in the garage that I'm taking off the ear right now, and I'm getting ready to grind it up and mix it with the we buy that organic laying mash pellets or crumbles from Tractor Supply. It's kind of a retail way to go, but I'm trying to get away from that. So I'm gonna mix that with my ground up corn that I grew and sunflower seeds. So see if that stretches that out a little bit, and then this will get them through the winter hopefully, and then they can get back out and eat bugs and stuff when the summer months come around. That's the plan anyway. Try telling that to the chickens. It's like they don't understand English. Ugh. The Joel Salatin model has his laying hens following cows that are grazing in pasture, I think like 3 days behind maybe, and it's just enough time for the larvae of the flies to hatch in the manure. So this, I don't have cows, but this stuff is similar to manure. I wonder how that would work in the summer if I put some piles of this around and let the flies lay eggs in it and then had the chickens go through it. That's an idea too. I don't know. We'll see. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video. As my granddaughter says, like and subscribe. Have a great day. There's lots of kernels and seeds in there for them to peck through. This is what they were built for. I think they like it. What do you say, girls? It's good? It's good? It's good? What? What do you think? Not much? That's what I thought.